Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. I'm so excited about this video because it's an unboxing video of a package from YouTube. Now guys, you guys remember this snow globe from the former one that had a jumper in it. If you want to see it, I'm going to link it up here so you guys can go check it out. It is amazing, and this is another gift that is coming from YouTube. So I'm unboxing it for you guys right now. Guys, let's get into this. Guys, the carton as usual comes with the YouTube sign written on it. This is so cool. And then we have a card right here as usual from YouTube. YouTube will always give you a card when they send you a gift so that you can know that yes, it's officially from them. So guys, a little backstory about this amazing gift. So we did an optimized challenge in the YouTube community, and I was privileged to get the highest level on like the CADA basically that they were using to grade us. I'm thankful to God for even giving me the grace to do this and putting me on that highest level, which was the level 3, the elite level. So this card says, "Hey creator, a huge congratulations to you on achieving elite status in the optimized challenge. This is a massive achievement. Please enjoy this gift as a thank you for your incredible work and dedication. We can't wait to see what you achieve next. Best regards, the YouTube team." Guys, oh, this is so amazing. It has a YouTube logo at the back, and then it has a cup right here, which means like a champion. Yes, I'm a champion, and I'm so excited. Next up, we have this amazing backpack. I can already see my name written on it. And guys, personalized from YouTube, it is an amazing fit. So guys, this is what the inside looks like. It has a laptop sleeve section right here. It has this other section. It feels so durable. I'm loving it already. So next up, we have this white box. Wow, guys, this is a mug. Ah, it even has a manual. Guys, hey, God, I beg. Oh, this is good. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is what the mug looks like. It's a YouTube Shorts mug. It has the YouTube Shorts logo. Ah, it's so beautiful and so cute. It's actually small, not too big, not too small, and it's the right size, perfect for me. Next up, we have this. It's a YouTube Shorts beanie. I'm going to remove it from the nylon right now so you guys can see it really, really clearly. This is what it looks like. It has YouTube Shorts embroidered on it. Like, it is so amazing. This is so beautiful. It feels really, really thick, and it's going to really fit my jumper that they just gave me. I'm so excited. My full package is already, coming together. I have a YouTube Shorts socks as well. Oh, it's so cute. Next up, we have this colorful notepad. This is so cute. I love it. It came with a pen, and this is what it looks like. At the back, you have the YouTube logo, and the pen as well has the logo on the part where you're going to press. Next up, we have this pin. It's like a badge, a brooch or something. So I have one before, the one they gave us when they gave us the waist pouch, which was cute. And I have this one now. So you basically just clip it to your outfit, and you are representing your brand, your YouTube brand, because yes, you're a brand and you need to stick by it and enjoy the benefits of your brand. So guys, after that, we now have this amazing one that I've been looking forward to receiving. I saw this on YouTube one day. A YouTube Shorts popped up, and it was someone fixing like a Lego set of a YouTube like brick basically. And I was like, this would be so cute to have. So cute. I didn't know like that I was going to still have it in my hands basically. And this is what it looks like. It's a 212 brick puzzle. So 212 pieces are in it. So I'm just going to unbox it now so you guys can see what it looks like. It has all these pieces, and it has this manual. I don't really understand the manual, but I think it's telling you how to fix it per page, like per layer basically. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to probably do a new video for specifically for this particular one. Probably I'll be, talking more about it or even fixing it like there and then. And, I'm going to figure it out basically. So this is what it looks like. It also has these miniature pieces. I don't know if it's for like another one, a smaller version, or it's still part of the whole sets basically. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'm very sure we'll figure it out. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. And guys, that's all I have in this amazing package. Thank you so much for always subscribing, liking, watching my videos, sharing it. Your love and everything has made it possible for me to get all these amazing gifts. Please, if you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Joining us a member, our membership gives you access to videos firsthand, and even videos that will never ever make it to the public. They're only going to be on my members only content. So please join in as a member. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.